Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with the Sports Appearance Package, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. An ash MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, powers windows. And then we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got our garage door openers, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 65,269 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.